know that our reflections will reveal who we are inside. So be reflective and resilient. And just keep saying to yourself, we will bounce back, bounce, bounce, bounce back. We will bounce back, bounce, bounce, bounce back.
There were days when things seemed bad and life seemed very unfair. But be cool and don't despair. 'Cause God is with us every hour and everywhere. And we will bounce back, bounce, bounce, bounce back. We will bounce back, bounce, bounce, bounce back. So be reflective and resilient, 'cause God is with us every hour. And we will bounce back. And we bounce back, bounce, bounce, bounce back. We will bounce back, bounce, bounce, bounce back. Yes, we'll bounce back.
May I now draw your kind attention to the address by our school principal, Mrs. Sumapur, CBSE National Awardee.
My dear Assisians, good morning. At the very outset, I thank Almighty for bestowing on me the coveted post of the principal in Assisi Vidyaniketan Public School. I also thank the management for putting their faith in me. Indeed, it is my honor to be the principal of this esteemed institution, which has a long legacy of molding generations to be successful human beings in all spheres of life. Dear students, you are all experiencing a new scenario, school at home. The management and staff at Assisi are committed to provide the best teaching learning platform for you. The continuity in learning is happening through online classes and activities, and it also helps you to connect with your teachers and classmates. As we are on the threshold of the new academic year, let me remind you a few things. You should have good planning. Please set clear, concrete, and achievable goals for yourself. Draft your study timetable to achieve your dreams. Please set up target marks for subjects in exams and continually reflect on your performance to improve your score. When you face academic setback, practice resilience, which is the art of bouncing back or emerging victorious each time you face a setback or challenge. This is in synchronization with the school theme for the academic year 2021. Be reflective and be resilient. I wanted each one of you to set your study timetable and goal for this academic year. Please write it in bold and stick it on your study table. Also share it with your class teacher. Even though you are confined to home, please practice the daily routine of waking up on time. Read holy scriptures and surrender yourself to God in prayers. Exercise, eat healthy and think positively to maintain physical and mental well-being. Help your parents in the household chores and keep aside me time to hone your talents and hobbies. Dear Assisians, be self-disciplined and polite to everyone. Be empathetic to the weak and with smiles greet the people you meet every day. Dear students, your future depends on what you do today. You all have great God-given potential, so trust yourselves, dare to dream and fly towards your dream. Thank you.
Now, let us watch the video presentation created on the theme for the academic year 2021.
ഷോർട്ടാക്കിയതാണ്, കയറുന്നുണ്ടായില്ല.
Now let us listen. A speech by our PTA President, Mr. Giske Portugapilli.
Speak Kottagapalli.
Good morning, all. As all of you are aware, we are going through a tough time. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. As Charles Darwin said, it's not the strongest of species, but it's those species which are more adaptable to change that will survive. We also have to survive, and we also have to change. We have to embrace the new normal where we live along with the COVID. We have to live in the safety of our homes, but at the same time, our activities should go on, academic activities should go on, and students should be able to learn. It's keeping this in mind that the Assisi management has come out with online learning to provide students with learning opportunities even while they are at home. I appreciate the school management for coming up with these issues. New initiatives will have its own share of challenges. But us as a team, the parents, the teachers, and the students to work together to find out solutions and make it work. This will sharpen their teaching skills and acquire new teaching skills and self-discipline. All of us will have to work together as a team to get the desired results. I wish a pleasant learning experience and wish all the students all the very best. Thank you.
We have come to the conclusion of the program. May I request you all to stand to attention for the national anthem.
Ma'am, if you want, you can speak to her after that. If you want, you can speak to her.
Now it is time for the general instructions. I take this occasion to thank the IT department for training us in such a good way that we all learned to present the assembly online. Big thanks to IT department. Now, regarding the instructions, your first UT is planned to be conducted from 4th June to 6th June. Timetable will be given in your WhatsApp group. Then Monday to Wednesday, you are not going to have any online class. It will be a break for the preparation for the exam. So you need to do proper revision, exam marks as ma'am set a target and then try to achieve it. Any doubt if you have, you can contact the teachers and clarify the doubts. Then the online classes will resume from 8th June. Now the thing is, you have to join the class in time. Some join in the beginning, then leave in between and then come back at the end. So that will not be allowed. Those students will not be given any attendance. So attendance is mandatory as far as CBS circular is concerned. So you have to attend the whole section. If you are not attending, it will be prior information. So that is very important. Then use Google Classroom codes also will be given today for all the subjects, physics, Lakshmi, physics, Priya Miss, all these subjects, new class code will be given in your group. So, or else in your WhatsApp group as well. Please join and do the work given. Revision notes are there. Please do the work. If you have any queries, I'll clarify now. Oh, Assisi was just on the news channel now. Okay. Any doubt, children? Any doubt?